Just imagine that not just a couple of good friends, not just a planet, an entire galaxy is full of beings, full of species that do not have the internal inclination to hurt or harm. Now, that's a very alien feeling for us. But just imagine for a second that you would be able to feel the impact of your actions so directly, so boundlessly, so instantly, that it truly makes no sense to want to cause harm or to hurt something else, because you actually really feel that other being as if it is a part of you. In places like that, beings, when they want to contact each other, even though if they're not in a spherical identity, even if they have a body form, even if they have a shape, even if they are shaped like a tree or an animal or some part of nature, like a cloud or an element of nature, like water or fire, even if those beings are more consciousness collectives, such as a sun or such as an entire galaxy, those consciousness collectives, those energy forms, those identities, when they want to communicate with each other, when they want to touch each other, when they want to make love to each other, they sing. When you sing to another being, when you generate sound within your own field, and the other being can instantly sense within their own being the exact replica of your message, then it doesn't matter where you are in space-time. You just tune into the same frequency and you are having the same experience of being at one, coming together, unification. So by the end of February, we're going to get to sexy physics. I do think that creation mechanics, the physics of unified field, is an incredibly sexy mechanism, but it's just me. So that's that state that I call home, where beings are so incredibly free to experience each other, to connect with each other, to communicate with each other, to be intimate with each other. Because there's no danger in fully opening up and giving yourself. And I'm not saying that that's what we should do on this planet, because this planet is not built that way. It is not safe here to do that. That's why I'm saying that in places like that, in places that I call home, there is such a sense of peace, safety, harmony, that when I looked around and felt around on this planet, and listened around on this planet, I realized that there is truly no place like home. And I felt ridiculously stuck here. And I felt like I have to figure out a way to get back home. So if this flavor of exploration speaks to you, then that's what's waiting for you. That's the next step of your evolution. Trust that if something in this message personally speaks to you, it's because you've brought yourself to this point in your personal evolution and you're ready for the next step. Because I'm ready for the next step. And it's going to be amazing. At some point, I'm not sure how, I'm going to take this offline and start doing very small, very intimate, in-person practices with proper bioregenesis, DNA level, timeline shifts, embodying different versions of yourself and properly creating, properly manifesting different time-space realities. But I do understand that we got to get there first. We have to build a frequency bridge first, because I experience it in my own body that it is damaged. We are not capable of cellular communication. We are not even aware of if something aches, pains, which frequencies should I direct to heal a wound, to ease a pain. I don't know how to communicate with my cells. I don't know how to communicate with my elementals, with my atoms, to be able to say that, would you like to experience a different reality right now? And then we would be able to get to that physical state, that frequency change together. That's what sexual transmutation for me is about. Not Tantra, not the lack of masturbation, not semen retention. Cellular regeneration and full free will, eternal life creation. Now, I get it that it's far from where we are right now. I'm fully aware of that. I'm not delusional about it, but I'm aiming fucking high.